To reconnect an Orisec panel to your Wi-Fi, do the following. Enter your 4-digit code, go down to change settings, right arrow, go down to comms modules, then down to Wi-Fi settings. You go in there, you then go into here, you delete that, you then go to the password and delete that. You then go up to Wi-Fi status and checks. You then find your router and press enter to tick connect. From change settings, you go up to system tests. You go down to view module status. In this case, I've got GSM and then you go along to Wi-Fi. And if it says ready, that means you are good to go. If you still have problems connecting and you have a panel like this, unscrew the 2 bottom screws, loosen them, take the lid off, pull out this connector here, make sure the red wire stays at the left when you put it back in, and the same with the battery. So you unplug the power and unplug the battery. That down powers the system. You then plug each one back in and you enter your code and go through that same process again.